Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, heated steering wheel, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.